everyone, so my Sephora play box got here today and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. The first item I pull out is this little booklet. On the inside it tells you more information about the products and the 50-point card. So this is the color for this month, a really pretty orange. So the first item I pull out is from First Aid Beauty. This is a moisturizer. It's supposed to help moisturize your skin throughout the day. It has vitamin E to help soothe the skin. So next up from the Sephora collection, this helps your skin stay hydrated. It has vitamin E and vitamin C in it. So next up from Tarte, this is from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. This is a primer. It's supposed to help smooth out your skin and prepare it for foundation, and it smells like coconut. So next up from Laneige, this is a sleeping mask. This is for your lips. It smells like vanilla. It's supposed to hydrate, plump the lips, and smooth them out. So next up from Milk, we have this mascara in Black is Black, and it gives your eyelashes volume and curls them. So this is my bonus for this month. This is a shampoo and conditioner from Briogeo. Overall, I do like some of the stuff I got for this month. It's not bad for $10. The link will be down below. And that's about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.